大家好，我是方老师。In lesson 49, we talk about a Chinese ghost story, 画皮 the pendant skin. In the story, this ghost character was called Mei Niang. Today we're going to learn the Hanzi Mei. Mei as a fruit means Chinese plum. It's green. When it's ripe, turns a little bit yellow and orange. Most fruits have flowers, so the May flower, it might be white. And the flower we call plum blossom. It can be red or pink. 汉字梅 is made up of two parts. The one on the left is 木. In lesson 24, we learned 汉字木, which means tree or wood. The 汉字 on the right part is 美. In lesson 21, we learned 美, which means each, every, or per. 汉字美 is also made up of two parts. The one on the top is 人, people, person. The one on the bottom is 母, mother or female. Every person has a mother. When a 汉字 is part of another 汉字, we call it radical. So 人 and 母 are the radicals of 美. 木 and 美 are the radicals of 美. So this 汉字美, the right part gave the pronunciation 美, and because it's from a wood, from a tree, so the left part 木 gives the meaning. This is 汉字美 stroke orders. Okay, follow stroke orders by using your hands and say with me. 美美美美美美美美美美美. When you write the left part, the mu, and make sure this stroke is short than usual. So leave more space for 美. Now we're going to learn a 成语青梅竹马. 青 means green. 梅 means plum. So we learned May means Chinese plum or plum blossom, and here we just short it as plum. 竹 means bamboo. 马 means horse. 青梅竹马 literally means green plum, bamboo horse. What does that mean? 青梅竹马 to describe two children, a boy and a girl, who grew up playing together and later developed a deep, pure affection for each other. 青梅竹马 means childhood sweethearts. Now let's talk about why. 青梅 green plum. 青梅 originally refers to green, unripe plums that children would casually pick and play with. Over time, it has come to symbolize childlike innocence and pure affection. 竹马 bamboo horse. In lesson 32, we learned 汉字竹 means bamboo. 马 horse. 竹马 refers to a toy horse made from a piece of bamboo that children in ancient China used to play with. In a broader sense, 竹马 symbolizes childhood playfulness and companionship. So that's why 青梅竹马 means childhood sweethearts. 他是梅西 He is Messi. 她是梅西的夫人。She is Messi's wife. 梅西和他的夫人是青梅竹马。Messi and his wife are childhood sweethearts. This is a worksheet for you to practice the Hanzi we viewed or learned from today's lesson. If you like my video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share.
谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。